Souq Waqif, the story behind Qatar's favorite heritage market. Please subscribe, share, and like our channel and video. Please do not forget to press bell icon below, to be the first get the latest video. Souq Waqif is an important cultural market in Qatar and a major tourist attraction. Considered one of the most famous traditional folk markets in the area, stalls trade in a wide variety of traditional goods, which the owners display and sell to visitors. According to Qatari historians, the Souq is about 250 years old, and was called Souq Waqif, because vendors stood at its entrance, to display commodities such as spices, cumin, cinnamon, fish, clothes and wood was called. In Arabic, the word Waqif means standing, and the name stuck, because the merchants of the time sold their goods standing. The word Souq means market in English. Due to Souq Waqif's historical importance, the Qatari government ordered its restoration in 2000. The restoration process followed traditional architectural styles that blend the present with the past. At the entrance to Souq Waqif, visitors are greeted by a flock of pigeons picking up wheat and rice scattered by Souq workers. Visitors to the souks have plenty to choose from depending on their interests. Families with children will find plenty of activities including rides, donkey rides and plenty of room to run around. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, share, and like our channel and video. Please do not forget to press bell icon below, to be the first get the latest video.